this is this is part 4 of chopping down the holly tree because Tracy's saw got stuck, and that's why part 3 had to be cancelled. So we've got. I know. I did warn you that.
Can you come past that piece of wood?
Alright, I don't know if this is going to be the one where it falls or if we'll need a part 5.
The bird mouth. This is the bird mouth. Quickly, darling, because you're in the way of the tree. Right,
Oh,
so
God.
back where you were.
Just realised that. Flipping. Ah! I don't like this at all. You're thinking of hammering the bird mouth into it.
It's because it's leaning this way.
I did tell you that.
I need the hammer.
Right, come back for part 5, guys, because there's a massive issue, and Tracy could be injured, and the tree might be failure. So goodbye.